Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I got the package from the mail and it came and so yeah, because that was from cassette tapes, because I work online and they have a band cap and stuff like that, the cassette tape. So unfortunately, and so yeah, and so yeah. Sorry, let's try. I know I see it gets hot in the video. So yeah, this a little bit. Then I got just one cassette tape. We got special um and so there will be awesome stuff. And the paper wrapper package. And we watched about a week ago, I think. So yeah. And then the data wire every single time I can keep. So this will be bad boy. And of course they have the same paper. So yeah. Thank you, Josh. Thanks for support. And so we appreciate it. And it's real awesome stuff. They have a hardcore and death metal or black metal or whatever. And my buddy talking to and stuff. And they have an unlocking kit page that they have. And just so fucking killed it. So yeah, that's awesome. That's a good idea. They get bubble wrap, whatever. So yeah, so guys, this is Ori, whatever his name, and Ori Saber, Hard 5 by Habit. And interesting. I'm looking online. This is looking interesting. And they have no idea who's the vocals. Major Beast entire vocals and George guitars and bass and drums. That's pretty cool. This one is in a new album. I'm not sure what year it is. This one, the album, these, and the tapes. There's a Java 50 just 24 and in between August and December 2023. Yeah. That's a wow. They have the 11 soundtracks and so yeah. It's absolutely brutal. And that's awesome. That's very awesome artwork. It's very awesome. I appreciate Bam Online, the big camp. They have a bunch of big camp online they have, and like it's not too many stuff. Unfortunately, this one just is very sick. It's brutal. Absolutely brutal. I can't wait to hear the voice vocals. So yeah. You see the painting around my dad because they have a cover. Unfortunately, they don't have. Excuse me. They don't have a cover. They have their pink or white, whatever the color style. Like I said, my wife's style for all stuff, because that's cheap. It's really killed it. So will be great. So I'm really happy. Get that. Happy these. So it's really awesome. Alright, you guys, and next in the video, and I really appreciate and support you guys, and go watching the video again. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow me on social media, Twitter, Instagrams, all kind of stuff or whatever. And don't forget to subscribe, and don't miss the bell. You don't miss a video. Go watch it. Give me comments below what you think of this video so far. And give me likes, thumbs up, please. And I love so much because I love it. So awesome. I really appreciate it. And so yeah. Alright, guys. Take care of yourself. Stay metal. Stay brutal.